Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Fahrenheit thermometer. First, identify if you have an oral, rectal, or underarm thermometer, as each has specific uses. Always clean the tip with soap and water or rubbing alcohol before and after each use to ensure hygiene. Familiarize yourself with the Fahrenheit scale, noting that normal body temperature is around 98. 6 degrees Fahrenheit. This preparation ensures accurate and safe temperature readings every time. To take an accurate reading, place an oral thermometer under the tongue, a rectal thermometer gently into the rectum, or an underarm thermometer in the armpit. Hold it in place for the recommended time, usually between 30 seconds and 2 minutes, depending on the device. Once the beep sounds or the mercury stabilizes, carefully remove it and read the displayed temperature. Ensure good lighting for a clear view of the numbers. After taking a reading, compare it to the average normal body temperature of 98, 6 degrees Fahrenheit, a temperature of 100. 4 degrees Fahrenheit or higher is generally considered a fever. Remember that individual normal temperatures can vary slightly, so knowing your baseline is helpful. If you have any concerns about your temperature or symptoms, always consult a healthcare professional for advice. Proper care extends your thermometer's life. Always clean the tip with rubbing alcohol or soap and water after every use, then rinse thoroughly. Store your thermometer in its protective case in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures, to prevent damage. This ensures it's ready and accurate for your next use. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.